Good morning everyone, I hope you are all well. I am going to vlog a bit this weekend. I mean, it's quite hard at the moment to differentiate the weekends to the weekdays, but it is nice that me and Rich are both kind of together with Gray at the same time, so that makes it feel a little bit different. It's totally hair wash day. Like, I'm desperately needing to wash my hair tonight. I've got so much dry shampoo in it, so excuse the state of my hair, but we're going for a walk, so I'm gonna put a hat on. So we've had quite a slow morning. It's, oh my God, it's like almost 10. We've gotta get going. I'm just quickly making some lunch for Gray. Like, we've had to get really good in lockdown at feeding her outdoors. Because obviously normally, because she eats at like 11:30, kids eat really early. So obviously normally you'd like go to a cafe or something, but we can't. So if we go for a walk, there's no way we'll make it back in time for her lunch. So yeah, we've just got really good at like making things. I've got like things like this. This is a skip hop thermos that keeps food super hot, and like lunch boxes, and she's just got really flexible at, like, she can just sit on a bench and eat lunch, which is great. So we haven't really properly meal planned today, so I'm just gonna put an Ella's Kitchen little pizza. This is like a cauliflower based pizza. It takes 20 minutes in the oven. Basically just been running around like a headless chicken this morning trying to get ready. This is the snack drawer, so we're just getting her bag ready for the day, and I'm taking one of these for myself. Guys, look how cute this little like terracotta garlic holder I got is from Zara Home. Oh my God, I love it. It doesn't fit like a massive garlic bowl, but it only fits like a small one, but I think it's really cute. Gray is very excited that there's a little bird on the bird feeder. Can you see it? It's tiny. Is it a bird or a squirrel? Oh, it's gone. She literally stands here every day watching for squirrels and birds. There you go, show baby what you can see in the garden. Oh, that's nice that you're showing her. This is the Ella's Kitchen little pizza, so I'm just gonna cut it up and put it in some foil. Because of the cauliflower base, it's quite soft and sticky, so I'm literally gonna put a layer of foil between every slice. Okay, we're on our way. Gray has fallen asleep in the back of the car. We're literally just driving like 15 minutes up the road because there's a park where we can have a little walk. It's a really nice sunny day for a walk. We're all dressed up, lots of layers, so it should be nice. Wow, look how pretty this is. Okay, we are here. It's actually beautiful. There's a big lake. We're gonna go see the duckies. Gray is having the best time picking up, what is this? It's a stick. Let's go. This snowsuit, my friend lent it to us. It's from Next. It's so handy. The bugaboo's doing quite well in the mud so far. We're having a very messy pizza lunch and looking out on this really pretty lake. It's very muddy, but it's nice. We're looping this entire lake, which is absolutely huge. I think we're probably about halfway around, do you reckon?
Yeah, there's the walkway.
Rich was just saying that one of the best things to come out of all of this is that we're kind of exploring more places to walk near us and just like appreciating nice weather and muddy walks. We've got the shoes we need now. Our buggy's good in the mud. Gray's got a little snowsuit. I kind of love it. Can't even imagine what it feels like to get up and like go out and just like have brunch in a cafe.
Yeah.
That's what we used to do on a Saturday. We made it all the way around and we're all a bit tired. That was quite a long walk, very muddy. My boots are so soaking wet and muddy, and the buggy's definitely gonna make our car muddy, but it was so nice. We are planning on making a stew for dinner that takes like 3 hours to cook, so that's the plan for this afternoon, and maybe bake some cookies with Gray. Our buggy is totally broken though, so I have to make Rich do it because I like break my finger every time I try. Oh, it's so annoying. Yes. It's like a jigsaw. Done. Okay, we are home and I'm making myself a bagel for lunch. I've just put Gray in her cot, but I think she's like trying to drop her lunchtime nap, which I'm just devastated about because it's just so nice to have just like a minute to sit down. Like, we both love it, just to sit down and just like have lunch or just have a minute where you're not kind of like trying to keep someone alive, basically. I think it's just because she's not stimulated enough during the day, I think, that it will return. But anyway, I just want her to get used to like sitting in her cot, even if she doesn't have a nap, just to like have a bit of like downtime. We shall see. I think it's just a phase. So I'm just making a bagel. Rich has popped out to get some onions because we need onions to make our beef. What we're making, is it a casserole beef stew for later on? Okay, Rich is starting dinner because Gray eats around 4:35. So where did you get the recipe from?
BBC Good Food.
Is it a good one?
I think so.
So we're using our Le Creuset, which I love. We got this one from the White Company. It's just the best size. We got this size so that it fits in our oven. And yeah, we got some nice meat from the butcher. I'm excited. I think if you slow cook it, the meat will be nice and soft for Gray. Okay, she is not wanting to nap. She was just like sitting and chilling a minute ago, but I think she's done. I might have to go get her. How cute, this little chef's hat and apron that I got her for Christmas from H&M Home. Oh my god, I can't deal. Are you doing some cooking in your kitchen? Oh my god, our table runner from H&M Home. I had this like nice linen table runner and it's shrunk. It used to be like massive. It used to go the whole length of the table and it's shrunk in the wash. Oopsie. Also, whilst talking about home stuff, I got these from Zara Home. I only got 2 because I wasn't sure how they looked online, but I really, really like them. Things are looking good over here. This is a very like winter meal. Oh, it smells good actually. Okay, now I know that we're in for the afternoon. I'm 100% changing out of my bra into like, you know, one of those comfy bra situations. It's just that time of day. This is a game we play a lot. I'm the doggy, she's the owner, and my trousers are the lead. Let me just pause the music. By the way, so many people ask about this radio. We got it from John Lewis. It really was very affordable and it's just like a perfect kitchen radio. I'll link it down below if anyone is interested. So I've been playing around with this. We've had our first roll of film developed and then I've just been taking some nice pictures this morning on our walk, and I thought I'd take one of Rich and Gray in the garden now because they're just going to go outside. It's the Olympus Mju II. It's kind of like the blogger film camera. Lots of people have it, but Anna's got it as well. So she kind of sent me millions of voice notes explaining like what it's all about, why she likes it, how it works and everything. I found mine on eBay. It looks like this. And yeah, it's a film camera, so you can't see the photos you're taking. My mum actually trained in developing film. And I remember once my sisters had moved out of home, she turned one of their bedrooms into a dark room for a while, and I was just so fascinated by it. So yeah, I've never really had the time to like get into film properly, learn how to do all of that, but I just love the idea of like using it for like special occasions. So I take so many photos on my like phone, but there's something special in just taking like one photo and like hoping for the best and then getting a nice surprise when you get it developed. So yeah, I've really been enjoying this and I'm excited to develop the next roll of film. So they've just gone out in the garden. Rich is going to clean her little car. We have like a plastic cover that goes over all of her toys in the winter and it just blew off and her car's got gross again, so he's going to give it a clean and then put it back under the cover for the rest of the winter. So I'd give you guys an update on the organisation of the toy cupboard and like where it's at probably a month or 2 after having it put in. We're not doing too bad. So I've got all my cookbooks here. Up here is a little bit of a mess. I need to sort out some kind of storage for electrical stuff that goes there. All her arts and crafts are looking good and this is working well, although there's a rogue book that's been put here. And then some of her books here are a little bit messy, there's random magnets, but other than that, that cupboard's doing quite well. Up here, which is more our kind of stuff, rogue Lego, I knew it was gonna become like a little bit of a mess, but this has worked out so well, the roll of IKEA paper. This is okay, this is kind of like present-y stuff. I need to get more of these, but I'm pretty sure the ones I've got, they're meant to be stackable, I don't know what's going on here. The ones I've got have sold out, so I've only got 2. I kind of want to like fill this whole area, and then there's board games. So basically it's slacking. I haven't really finished organising the top. The bottom half is working quite well. We've got these here, and they're working well. There's one more somewhere else. The Lazy Susan is good for toys. This has become a little bit messy, this bit here, and then She doesn't really play with stuff when it's in boxes, so I'm glad I only have 2 down there. And then in here, I've got my folders with puzzles and stuff. I could probably organise that a bit better. There's a random book there. And then, yeah, I think we need to do a little bit of a clear out of some of these toys. What are these? So random. Basically, this is real life. Even when you have a pretty toy cupboard, things don't really stay that tidy. But oh my God, it's such a life changer just to have somewhere to put everything at the end of the day, because it's always such a mess. There's literally toys everywhere. The ugly plastic slide from the garden is inside. This is a lockdown lifesaver as well. This side isn't getting used too much yet. We've got like a fancy dress box in there. And then in here lives her like blow up horse that Richard's sister got her, a football and a tunnel. But I'm just so happy that we did this bench. She uses it all the time and I love it. I haven't yet got around to styling these shelves and putting anything on there, but I don't want to rush it. I'll collect some nice bits over time. Ray is adamant that she wants to go on the bike. She's going bike, 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 bike. So Rich is going to cycle up and down the road with her on the back of his bike. It's freezing, you're mad. Put your helmet on. Good girl. Safety first. So they've gone for a bike ride, like up and down the street. I mean, it's freezing. It's so nice and warm and snuggly at home. Gray was just going bike, 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 bike. I mean, she is such a mini Rich sometimes. So they've gone out on a bike ride in the freezing cold. I'm very happy to not be going on a bike ride right now. I mean, there's a time and place. I love it, but not right now. I'm actually feeling so much better. I was feeling so tired and moody earlier. You probably didn't notice in the vlog because, to be honest, like most YouTubers, it's quite easy to put on like a vlog voice and stuff, but I was feeling really down this morning. And I mean, I don't know, I had a coffee. It can't be that. I don't know if my like blood sugar was low or something, but I literally feel like a different human now. I'm really glad, because I was like, I said to Rich, I was like, I just feel like I want a nap. I'm not pregnant. I'm like on my period. Not that I need to tell anyone that, but it felt like I was pregnant. Like I felt that like exhaustion. So anyway, I'm glad to be out of that now. I'm gonna tidy up all of her toys, which I know she's gonna mess them up again, but it just makes me feel good. So I'm gonna tidy them all away. And then when she gets back, the stew would probably be ready and she can have a nice warm dinner after her cold bike ride, which would be nice. I need to wash my hair tonight, and then it's The Masked Singer, which I love watching on a Saturday night. Almost 5 o'clock, which is when we're gonna give Gray dinner. Actually, we're all gonna eat together. Me and Rich are quite hungry. We didn't really have proper lunch, so we're gonna have an early dinner and eat with Gray, which would be really nice. Sometimes we do that on a Saturday. We normally do a roast chicken actually on a Saturday. Peppa Pig's on. I'm under the cashmere throw because I'm so cold. Rich has just put the fire on. Gray hasn't actually noticed yet. We normally put this on when she's asleep, so we'll have to teach her not to go near. I'm always in charge of couscous in our family because Rich never gets the right amount of water. Look at this. It's fluffing up. Dinner is ready. This is Gray's little portion. And this is ours. It smells yummy. We've got a bit of pita bread as well, which is maybe a bit greedy because we've got couscous, but we needed to eat it up. Wow, you're just gonna climb up onto your chair by yourself? Safe to say someone is quite enjoying this meal, I think. And she's literally polishing off the whole thing. Is it delicious? I love watching you eat. Oh my God. She loves it. And I was worried that the beef might be a bit chewy and choky. She was taking massive mouthfuls. She makes us dress up in the fairy costume. It's got glitter all over me. Great, you're meant to wear this. It only fits on one leg. Right, we've come upstairs. It's time for Gray's bath and bed. Oh my God, can you see our duvet on the floor? We have to put new sheets on the bed. We're gonna give Gray a bath, give her some milk, read her some stories, do bedtime, and I'm gonna wash my hair, and then we're gonna go downstairs, watch TV. I need to dry my hair, and you know, it's Saturday night, so all of that kind of stuff. I'm gonna finish vlogging here so we can just enjoy bedtime together. But thank you guys so much for watching the vlog today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.